Welcome to DY Books, your one stop destination for book summaries, full books to read, and audiobooks. Download DY Books app today.
In a fast-paced world where time is a precious commodity, effective management skills are more important than ever. Enter the 1-Minute Manager, a quick and easy read that offers practical advice for maximizing your productivity and achieving your goals in just 60 seconds. Written by management gurus Ken Blanchard and Spencer Johnson, this best-selling book has sold millions of copies worldwide and continues to be a go-to resource for anyone looking to improve their leadership skills. In this book summary, we'll explore the key principles and insights from the 1-Minute Manager, including the importance of setting clear goals and expectations, providing frequent and specific feedback, and empowering your team to take ownership of their work. Whether you're a seasoned manager or just starting out in your career, the 1-Minute Manager is a valuable resource that will help you become a more effective and efficient leader. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, time management is a crucial factor in achieving success. Managers and leaders are expected to deliver results quickly, and their ability to manage time effectively can make all the difference. The 1-Minute Manager is a book that helps individuals learn how to manage their time efficiently and effectively. The book is co-authored by Kenneth Blanchard and Spencer Johnson and was published in 1982. The 1-Minute Manager has become a classic in the management genre, and its principles continue to be relevant even today. The book's timeless message is that by spending just 1 minute on each task, managers can increase their productivity and achieve better results. The 1-Minute Manager offers practical tips on how to manage time, delegate tasks, and motivate team members. In this article, we will provide a summary of the book's key chapters, evaluate its effectiveness, and provide insights into how readers can apply its principles to their work and personal lives. Overview. The 1-Minute Manager is a popular business book co-authored by Ken Blanchard and Spencer Johnson. It's a short book that uses a fictional story to convey its message. The book follows a young man who is searching for an effective manager to help him improve his own managerial skills. After meeting with several managers, he finally meets the 1-Minute Manager who is known for his effective management skills. Throughout the book, the 1-Minute Manager shares his management philosophy, which emphasizes the importance of being goal-oriented, supportive, and efficient. The book is divided into 3 sections, each highlighting a different aspect of the 1-Minute Manager's philosophy. The first section covers goal setting, the second section covers praise and recognition, and the third section covers redirecting and reprimanding employees. Each section includes specific techniques and strategies that managers can use to improve their management skills. Overall, the 1-Minute Manager is a straightforward and practical guide for managers who want to improve their leadership skills. The book is easy to read and understand, and it's filled with actionable advice that can be applied immediately in the workplace. Summary of key chapters. The 1-Minute Manager is a book written by Kenneth Blanchard and Spencer Johnson. The book is a story about a young man who is searching for an effective manager who can help him become a successful manager himself. The young man meets a 1-Minute Manager who teaches him 3 important secrets of effective management. The book is a quick read and has sold millions of copies worldwide. Chapter 1, The 1-Minute Manager. The first chapter introduces the main character of the book, a young man looking for a good manager to learn from. The young man is told about the 1-Minute Manager, who is reputed to be one of the best managers in the area. The 1-Minute Manager has a reputation for being a good manager who gets things done quickly and efficiently. Chapter 2, The First Secret, 1-Minute Goals. The 1-Minute Manager teaches the young man about the first secret of effective management, 1-minute goals. The 1-Minute Manager explains that goals should be short, simple, and specific, and the employee should know exactly what is expected of him or her. This helps employees to focus on the most important tasks and increases their motivation to accomplish their goals. Chapter 3, The Second Secret, 1-Minute Praisings. The second secret of effective management is 1-minute praisings. The 1-Minute Manager explains to the young man that it is important to catch employees doing something right and praise them immediately. This helps to reinforce good behavior and motivates employees to continue doing a good job. Chapter 4, The 1-Minute Reprimand. The 1-Minute Manager teaches the young man about the 1-minute reprimand, which is the third secret of effective management. The 1-minute reprimand is a technique that helps managers to address problems with employees in a timely and efficient manner. The 1-Minute Manager explains that reprimands should be given immediately after a problem occurs, and should be specific and focused on the behavior, not the person. Chapter 5, Putting it all together. In the final chapter, the 1-Minute Manager teaches the young man how to put all three secrets together. The 1-Minute Manager explains that the goal of effective management is to create a situation where employees can win, the company can win, and the manager can win. The 1-Minute Manager explains that by using the three secrets of effective management, managers can create an environment where everyone wins. The 1-Minute Manager is a quick and easy read that provides a simple and effective approach to management. The book is based on the principles of goal setting, praise, and reprimands, and can be applied to any type of management situation. The book has been widely read and has been used as a training tool for managers in many different industries. Analysis and evaluation. The 1-Minute Manager is a short and practical book that offers a simple and effective management strategy that is still widely used in many organizations today. The book provides a framework for managing people in a way that promotes productivity and employee satisfaction. The book's emphasis on goal setting, communication, and praise has been well received by many readers, and has become a classic in the management literature. The 1-Minute Manager offers practical advice that can be applied in various contexts, including personal and professional settings. One potential criticism of the book is that it may oversimplify the complexities of management. The 1-Minute Manager's approach may work well in some situations, but it may not be suitable for all organizations or management styles. Additionally, some readers may find the book's focus on positive reinforcement overly simplistic or even manipulative. The 1-Minute Manager provides a useful framework for managers and leaders who are seeking to enhance their management skills. However, it should be viewed as a starting point for further exploration of more nuanced and complex management strategies. Conclusion. The 1-Minute Manager by Ken Blanchard and Spencer Johnson is a highly effective and practical book that provides readers with easy-to-implement strategies for managing people and improving productivity. The author's simple approach to management, which emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals, praising progress, and reprimanding only when necessary, has become a staple in modern management literature. The book's success can be attributed to its straightforward language, practical advice, and its ability to appeal to a broad audience, including managers, executives, and those who aspire to leadership roles. Whether you're new to management or a seasoned professional, the 1-Minute Manager is a must-read that can help you improve your leadership skills and make a positive impact in your organization.
Thank you for taking the time to listen this book summary. We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. Don't forget to follow DY Books on social media to stay up to date on our latest book summaries and releases. Thank you once again and see you in next video.